Retrieval practice is a powerful revision strategy that helps us to remember learning better over time. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a simple retrieval technique called a knowledge dump. Start by identifying a topic that you need to revise. Write down the first thing you can remember about the topic on a piece of paper. As this fact prompts you to remember more information, write those facts down. Connect the facts together with lines. You can use single words, phrases, or diagrams. When you've thought of everything you can from memory to do with this aspect of the topic, start a new line. The knowledge dump will look different for different subjects. For biology, diagrams are really helpful. In languages, you might be recalling key vocabulary, and in English, you might be writing down quotes. Keep going until you've written down everything you can from memory. Then use a knowledge organiser, a revision guide, textbook, or maybe an exercise book to check your knowledge dump. Don't assume that you've remembered everything. Check it carefully to see if there's anything you've missed, and add any missed details in pink pen. Also check for accuracy. Did you make any mistakes? Correct any mistakes that you made in pink pen. You should focus future revision on the parts of the topic that you couldn't remember. You could write out anything that you couldn't remember onto a flashcard and then test yourself on it repeatedly over time. The knowledge dump is a simple retrieval strategy that will help you to make your learning stick, whilst also providing you with information about what you do and don't know so that you can focus your revision better.